Inmates who suffer from mental illness are suffering behind bars.
According to the Oklahoma County Detention Center, 23 detainees are currently waiting for transfer to a state mental health facility. The average wait, 480 days. News 9's Deanne Stein has more on how county commissioners hope to alleviate the problem.
This right here is going to affect us.
A full house at the Oklahoma County Commissioners meeting Wednesday morning.
I anticipated it was going to be every bit as lively as it was, and I think there were even more out in the hallway.
Commissioners still trying to find land to build the new county jail in opposition from all sides.
I knew all along this was going to be challenging. I guess I probably didn't think it was going to be quite this difficult.
Commissioners had the added task of choosing land based on building a mental health facility in conjunction with the jail.
We absolutely believe that it needs to be completely separate from the jail.
Mark Folk is with the People's Council for Justice and wants the facility to be separate from the jail.
Rather than run people through a jail system where they sit now an average of 480 days before they get put into a facility, let's put the people who need mental health help straight into a facility.
But until the land is purchased, Commissioner Brian Mon says it's unclear how that looks.
There is possible scenarios of where it could be drawn inside the facility, like its own wing or its own floor.
Mon says, however, the facility would have its own staff trained to deal with mental illness. According to the Oklahoma County Detention Center, mental health encounters inside the jail are up from 2,000 encounters in January of last year to 3,000 just last month. The jail also says many continue to wait behind bars to be transferred. One detainee has waited over 1,000 days because there are no available beds in state facilities. But with more beds, the hope is that will change.
Let's put the people who need mental health help straight into a facility. Don't criminalize them and don't traumatize them.
In Oklahoma City, Deanne Stein, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.